What's up y'all, Toys and RC Bros here with another unboxing. Today we have the WLTOYS RC Rally Car. This car was sent to us by banggood.com. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we have inside. We do have the 1/28 scale car, the controller. It has a soft steering wheel. There's a manual, spare parts, and the charging cable. They also provide a North American adapter. All right, so let's take a closer look at the inside of this car. So it's held by 4 clips. That's the internal. So we do have the battery here. The battery is a 2S LiPo, 7.4 volts. It's currently unplugged. The chassis is some kind of metal alloy that's looks really good. It does have independent suspension, as you can see here. Same for the back. The tires are made out of rubber. It's not hard, it seems to be some kind of soft rubber. Overall, this car looks really good. This is your switch on the ESC. All right, so next up, we're going to charge this car up and then we'll take it for a spin. A big thank you to banggood.com for sending us the WLTOYS Rally Car. We will leave a link in the description in case you guys want to check it out. As always, let us know your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.